So as I promised you earlier, in this live trading video, I will be doing 10 trades on gold while scalping it on the 1 minute time frame. And if anyone not really sure what I'm talking about, please refer to my channel and watch this video, which have amazingly 2,000 views only. Forex, learn this amazing and simple strategy to scalp gold on the 1 minute time frame. Sadly, very important video, very effective strategy, and very profitable way to make money on Forex. Sadly, has only 2,000 views. Yeah, that's really nice. That's really nice. I'm not sure what is the problem, and actually I have seen your opinions already on the weekly analysis video, and I will do some changes upon what I have seen. So anyway, let me just tell you what I'm waiting for on the gold. Now, of course, for the first trade, as I mentioned earlier, we have first of all to mark our the key levels of supports and resistance. Now, of course, we have right here a strong key resistance level. We also have right here a strong key support level. Now, this is of course the beginning and the end of the channel. Let's now track this line like this, and let's mark again the strongest support and resistance levels. As you can see, my friends, right here, let me just be more accurate. Exactly right here, as you can see, my friends, the market has been actually a very strong support level. Whenever the market was above this level, it was acting actually as a support level. Then again, the market has went below this level right now and been a strong resistance, which means 1756.69 is actually a very good level to start again buying the gold. This is the strategy, as simple as it is. We just need to look for the strongest support and resistance levels, mark them, and just wait for the candle to touch this level. As you can see right now, the candle is falling. It's just like 7 pips far away from our entry. And of course, my friends, don't forget to untick this button so you can just scroll like this on the left so you can see these levels. If I tick this one right here, I really cannot see much. Therefore, just make sure this option, scroll the chart to the end on tick incoming. Make sure it's unticked, unchecked, and then you can actually see it like this. All I have to do right now is just waiting for the market to reach my entry before placing the buy order. So let me know, please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you once it reaches the level. And the market is almost there, it's very close to it, and make sure the lot size is 0.70. Since I'm going to use 10 trades on this video, and the trade has been opened. And my friends, please pay attention. First of all, let me just make my stop loss. Set my stop loss. Perfect. My friends, please pay attention to the spread. It has opened exactly where the market was, and of course the reason is I'm using IC markets, and as we can see, my friends, also the spread is lower than one pip, and that's actually, this is amazing. This is what you need actually in order to make profits with this strategy. So the first trade has been opened, and again we are relying on the strength of this support level, and keep in mind that it was also a strong resistance later. So therefore I believe the market is reversing right now at this moment, but however the target should be the peak of this resistance right here as per the strategy rules, meaning I'm aiming $126 profit from this deal. Meanwhile, the stop loss is gonna be almost the same. So everything is perfect. Let me now just please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. As we can see, the candle is now in the trade finally going in the profit. The candle right now is rising, and it's rising for almost 10 pips right now. I believe I will close this trade right now with $77 of profit. Fantastic. Yes, I made it. Good. Okay, now let me just explain to you one thing. Someone might ask me, but Salah, we are also having right here a resistance or a key resistance level. Why didn't you assume that the candle is going to reverse right here so we can sell the market? As you can see, the candle is still rising. That's not going to be a good level for short. Let me just explain the reason for anyone who want to learn. We are still on the resistance, my friends. Actually, I have already drawn here this support zone like this. So actually what's happening is we are right now here on the resistance zone already. and that resistance zone was previously a strong support, which I have been actually relying on this trade. Now the point here is that this support level is going to keep its position again as a support, meaning you are actually on the same level of that previous resistance. So it doesn't really work like this. You cannot assume that the market is going to reverse right here and continue the fall based on that resistance, because you are actually still inside the same zone as of that resistance. You can do that only in one case: if the market has went down all the way, exiting or breaking out from that support zone. Only that you can actually expect the market to reverse at that level of the resistance. However, we are still keeping, or actually we are still trading on the same zone of the support, which has become a resistance as well. So as you can see, the market has kept rising after I closed my trade, sadly, and went all the way to the take profit level, but it's okay. I have exited my trade with a good and decent profit. Now the next trade actually is going to be placed exactly right here. Once the market the market make the bullish breakout from that resistance level, I'm going to depend on that strong key support level, which was previously also a resistance as well. I will wait for the candles to continue the rise like this, then again falls down, retesting the broken resistance and waiting for that support to keep its position again as a support, and then only I will place my buy order. That's gonna be my setup if the market has made the breakout from that resistance. If the market continues to fall down, then I will just wait to see what will gonna happen. If the market has made the bearish breakout candle from that resistance level, from that support level, I will just wait for the market to rise again, retesting the broken resistance exactly right here, and then I'm going to place my sell order. So let's now wait and see what will gonna happen. Let me now please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you once I open the next trade. So this is actually interesting. The market has reached this resistance at 1760.08, and I'm going to place the sell order. And I placed it already. Perfect. Let me explain to you. As we can see, my friends, this level of 1760.08 has actually been a very strong key resistance level that cannot be ignored. The market most likely is going to make a reaction on this level. I doubt that the candle is going to be able to break out immediately from this level. We can expect for the market to actually reverse a little bit more, just to reach or retest the broken the resistance level at 1758 before it finally continue the rise, meaning I'm just trading the pullbacks. That's gonna be enough for me. Look at that, the candle is already falling. Fantastic. First of all, place your stop losses. You don't know what will gonna happen. Maybe there will be something unexpected that will cause the market to rise like this and actually cause me to wipe my account, and actually for me it's a big amount, so I have to be careful. I'm trading only I'm trading the gold only for the purpose of this video, so I have to be very careful. Meanwhile, the target of course will be at the support level right here, which was previously a strong resistance at 1758, as I mentioned before, which means I'm aiming $174, hopefully gonna be in good profit. So let me now please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you shortly. And as you can see, the candle has fallen, my friends. As you can see, right now it's running in 10 pips of profit, $60 of profit. I'm going to close it right now and just exit. Now, the next trade is almost ready. Right now, I'm on this support level right here again. And as we can see, we can expect from this support to become a support again, and it's going to keep its position as a support. This was the trade that I'm waiting for. But again, we exited the trade with $60 profit. Fantastic. I'm really glad. I'm very happy to make money this much very quickly. I think scalping gold is the way to enjoy the scalping on Forex. I believe it's one of the best strategies, if not the best already. I'm actually focusing on it so much recently, and telling you the truth, my friends, I believe it's better than 20 pips a day. It's actually much stronger, because it's limiting my trades to be only exclusively on gold only, and by that actually I'm limiting my open trades. Anyway, as we can see, the candle is still resisting to fall. However, I'm going to open my trade once the market reaches exactly the support at 1758. So let me now please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you. So watch it, watch it. Yes, the candle has reached this level and the buy order has been placed. Perfect. I am glad to record this on the video. First of all, place your stop loss immediately, quickly. Make sure how much you are planning to invest. $138. That's totally fine. That's actually almost the profit that we have already made so far. And of course, the target will be at the peak of this resistance. Again, I'm relying on the strength of this support level. If the candle has ever been able to fall below that support level, it means that this trade is no longer valid. So that's why the stop loss is right there, almost 20 or 19 pips only far away from my entry. Again, I'm only seeking the pulse, the pullback, the reaction of the market. Once it reaches any support or resistance, it's going to make a reaction and going to continue the rise like this. However, there is a problem here. The market has already made that pulse right here exactly. That reaction has already been made before, or actually just one pip before it reaches the same support level. And as we can see, now the candle is falling below that support level. Yes, there is a chance that I actually can fail in this trade. And so far, yes, it seems like this trade is going to fail. However, yes, I believe this trade is failing already. That support level is no longer supporting me at all right now. And the candle has continued to fall below that support level. However, this candle still has yeah, it's almost hitting the stop loss. Shit. This candle still has 17 seconds in its lifespan time, and I'm still hoping for a reversal right here. If the candle can end up as a pin bar, hopefully, maybe. Anyway, let's see what will gonna happen. I'm not sure if I should pause the recording or not. The candle is very close to the stop loss. Yes, the new candle has been opened, and right now it seems to be bullish one. Alright, let me now please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. As we can see, this trade seems like it's gonna fail. The market has reversed exactly from the bottom of this support zone, which I have drawn here already. We are actually now relying on this support zone and the peak of this resistance. However, the market seems like it's ranging inside this zone, and as you can see, it might be reversing upon the pressure from the resistance at 1758. I believe I'm going to close this trade right now with a small loss. Yes. Oh shit. Oh yeah, I was late. I was so late. I was going to close it with $20 of loss. But however, because I'm recording, I lost $70 on this trade. That was not good at all. That was not good at all. That is one of the reasons why I don't really like to do these live trades videos, because I'm wasting time while explaining, and I should have closed it, then explain, not to do this live explaining before closing it. It's my mistake. It's my bad. I'm sorry. Anyway, that's fine. What happened. Let me now please pause the recording, and I will be waiting for the next trade, and I will let you know. So allow me to explain to you something. This trade which I'm going to open right now is based on my understanding about how this market works. Sadly, it might not be so clear for everyone why did I open this trade, but however, the main reason why I opened the trade right now, first of all, let me just make my stop loss right here, so I will make sure I won't lose my account if in case the market has made any fast movement or unsudden movement. Actually, what I have seen right here, even without analyzing, we are having right here this resistance trend line. And as you can see, the market has reversed exactly upon the pressure from that resistance trend line. And right now we are having here a strong resistance or a strong reversal at the resistance on 1758. As you can see, this level, my friends, was actually acting as a very strong resistance level, which means we are right now looking for a sell orders. And right now the market has actually reached this level of the resistance exactly at 1758.04. That is the next level of the resistance after this one right here. Actually, as I'm telling you, it's a little bit hard to explain to you the reason I opened this trade, but right now it's very clear for me. It's very obvious that the market is going to continue to fall all the way till it reaches the support on 1756.04. I mean, it's just so clear. I mean, it's really so clear. I'm not sure really how to explain it, but I think it's very obvious that the market has right now no chance at all to continue the rise at all. It's definitely and obviously going down all the way till it reaches that support level. And since I'm actually a little bit pissed off about the previous trade and I want to recover the money that I have lost, therefore I have actually opened this trade right here, and the target will be $102. Hopefully it's gonna happen and I will recover the losses made from the last trade. So let me now please pause the recording and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. Exactly as I told you. Look at that, the candle is falling, and almost right now we have recovered the losses from the last trade. And yes, finally I have recovered the previous losses, and right now let's get ready for the next trade. Now I'm happy again, thankfully, thanks God. Okay, now as you can see, we are having this strong support level. As I'm telling you, actually on this strategy, I'm aiming only the first attempt. However, okay, no need. I was going to place the buy order on the second attempt, and I thought, no, let me restrict myself to the strategy rules. I prefer to follow it step by step to not confuse anyone, because in the end this is the educational platform, and I believe everyone hopefully will get experience from watching me doing these live trades. So anyway, let me now tell you where is going to be the next trade. The next trade will be placed once I see the market actually eventually make the bearish breakout candle, the bearish movement from this support level. Then I will wait for the market to rise up again, and then this support level most likely is going to continue to keep its position again as a resistance. Did I say support? I mean resistance, sorry. That resistance is going to keep its position again as a resistance, and I'm going to place the sell order. So until then, let me now please pause the recording and I'll be back to you shortly. Let me show you the next trade. Let me just make it clear for everyone. Right here, we're having a support zone. As we can see, the market has actually been acting as a resistance as well after the bearish breakout candle from that previous support level, and it has become a new resistance. And as you can see, it was also a resistance right here. Right now, we're also having here a resistance zone as well. Let me just show you. I'm careful to not click accidentally the sell order like what happened before, if anyone remember. Right now we are having here a resistance zone. So this is a support zone and this is a resistance zone. Now I'm waiting for the market to make a reversal or a pullback after hitting this support number 1 and continue to rise like this, and then that resistance level is going definitely to keep its position again as a resistance. I'm telling you, my friends, it's very simple strategy and very profitable one, and I believe it's going to be easier for us to make money using this kind of trading. So anyway, let me now please wait for the market to rise again for another 12 pips, and then I will show you what will gonna happen once I open the trade. Alright, the candle is almost there at the resistance level. It's just like 3 pips far away, and I believe the market has reversed almost there. I think I'm going to place the sell order right now. I'm just waiting to see how this candle reacts to the level, and I believe I want to have a perfect entry, my friends. So let me just wait some more time. Yes, the candle is rising again. It's going up now. It's right now just almost 2 pips far away from the current entry. Almost 3 pips far away. I'm getting ready to place my sell order. Getting ready, and yes, place the sell order. Perfect, fantastic. Immediately place your stop losses. The first thing you ever do, my friends, is always placing your stop losses. Once you are scalping the gold, the first thing you do always is placing your stop losses. Anyway, right now I'm actually placing my take profit level to be exactly at that support level right here. So that resistance level most likely is going to keep its position again as a resistance after this massive reversal has happened right from 1760. I believe this level of the resistance has proven that it's actually a very strong key resistance level, and right now all we have to do is looking for the another key resistance levels and place our trades accordingly. Anyway, let me now please pause the recording and I'll be back to you shortly. So actually this has been a very stressful trade for me. It has been actually a long time till it finally been in profit. As you can see, the market has actually went against me with 12 pips and it was very close to the stop loss. However, I want you, my friends, to notice this. The resistance is right here, and of course, as we can see, the reversal has happened right here. I don't know if it's clear for you, but however, we can see that there was here a bearish breakout happened, and right here we can see the resistance attempt, and now, right now the candle is falling. Actually, I want to get out of this trade. It has been a while. It's now, the video is going in 20 minutes, but actually right here I have been recording for the last 2 hours, and that's a lot actually. I believe I'm going to end this video and end this trade. Yeah, let me get out of it with $31 of profit, and by that the account is actually almost $3,000. However, still we have tomorrow to trade. Today actually the market is in very low volatility due to the holidays of the banks in the United States and Canada. However, the strategy was still valid to be used, and we thankfully have made some good profits using it. I know I promised you to make 10 trades, but sadly I made about 5 or 6, I'm not sure. I think that's enough, and I can make another part where I will continue to complete the 10 trades. However, the main part, or the whole idea here, is to confirm you that this strategy is very strong and very powerful, and you can make good income with this strategy. I will follow up this video with more live trading videos using the same strategy. I will be focusing on it on the upcoming few months. But until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.